Hey YouTube, it's Pepsi once again, and I just wanted to say that I have a noise coming from my toilet, and I thought it was something electronical at first, and I do not know what it's making this, like this whiny kind of noise, but it's kind of like if you put something underwater and you turn it on, even though then battery operated stuff. If you turn it on and if it makes like a noise, that's how it sounds like, and it's coming from the thing coming from the toilet. I mean the pipe that's actually coming up from the toilet, and it actually and it's actually the I think it's like a motor or something. I don't know. I'm not a plumber. Um, It's the one before the handle. Um, that little mechanical thing. Right now, it's making noises. Why is it doing that? Is there a way to fix it? Even right now, it's whining like it's irritating. At first, I thought it was my computer, because since I got this webcam, it's probably not diagnosed, or not diagnosed, but not equipped to have something so high tech uh, onto it, and I was like, well, I was actually taking a dump. I'll yes, I'll be frank. I was taking a dump, or I was taking a pee, and I just heard this noise, and I took off the tank top, and I heard the noise. I was like, um, ouch, and I had like touched it, and then it turned off for like a while. I don't know. Actually, right now, it stopped. I I do not know what it means. Okay, I guess I guess whatever this is has stopped. And but anyway, if you have any noises that you heard, that you usually don't hear, comment or video, comment or video response on this. I just want to know if I'm not the only one that is alone. Because if I hear something of the oddmost, um, strange, like that, um, I don't know. People are still like scared of things from under their bed, or even in their closet. I mean, at first I thought it was something that actually I have a stereo, and a couple of days ago I had a friend of mine, and I was cleaning my room, and he was probably cleaning my bathroom. I'll probably ask him later on, but other than that, I get creeped out by noises. I do. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and alright, later.